Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. In the realm of outdoor power tools, a 16-inch chainsaw stands out as the perfect amalgamation of strength, versatility, and maneuverability. Whether you're a seasoned professional, an avid DIY enthusiast, or a homeowner with a penchant for tackling tough tasks, the best 16-inch chainsaw is an indispensable companion in your arsenal. This cutting-edge tool is designed to strike a harmonious balance between power and portability, making it an ideal choice for a myriad of applications, from felling trees to pruning branches with finesse. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Couture. The Couture chainsaw emerges as a reliable and powerful tool, designed with industrial-grade components to handle various cutting tasks effectively. This comprehensive review delves into the key features, advantages, and potential drawbacks of the Couture chainsaw, offering a detailed analysis for potential buyers. Highlighted in the review are the specifications of the Couture chainsaw, featuring a 20-inch bar, a potent 3.5 HP 62cc gas-powered engine, and a weight of 15.4 pounds. The chainsaw's impressive speed of up to 8,500 RPM, wear-resistant sprockets and chains, and a quick gasoline filtration system contribute to its standout performance. The technical specifications showcase the chainsaw's efficient and powerful engine, sturdy bar and chain mechanics, super air filtration system, quick assembly, and automatic oiler system. On number 4, WORX Cordless. The WORX Cordless electric chainsaw, boasting a 16-inch cutting prowess, promises to revolutionize your cutting experience by eliminating the need for gasoline, extension cords, and tedious maintenance. This review explores the remarkable features that make this chainsaw a standout choice for both novice users and seasoned professionals. Effortless power with brushless motor. One of the key highlights of the WORX Cordless electric chainsaw is its brushless motor, meticulously engineered to maximize both torque and the unit's lifespan. This innovative design not only ensures a powerful and efficient cutting experience but also eliminates the hassle associated with the maintenance of traditional chainsaws. Impressive speeds, minimal effort. The 16-inch chain of this electric chainsaw operates at speeds of up to 49 feet per second, ensuring swift and precise cuts through a variety of materials. This feature not only enhances productivity but also makes it an ideal tool for tasks ranging from pruning to felling trees. On number 3, Poulan Pro PR4218. In this comprehensive Poulan Pro PR4218 review, the chainsaw undergoes a thorough examination, revealing its impressive features and performance. The reviewer, Billy, conducted real-world tests, focusing on the chainsaw's ability to fell substantial trees efficiently. Key findings: powerful cutting performance. Billy's test on a tree trunk with a diameter of 23 inches showcased the Poulan Pro PR4218's exceptional power and speed. It took only 1.5 minutes to turn the sizable trunk into 2 pieces, highlighting the chainsaw's remarkable performance. Noteworthy features: OxyPower technology. The chainsaw features OxyPower technology, enhancing engine power while reducing fuel consumption and emissions. This innovation aligns with environmental consciousness. Super Clean Air Filter System. The Super Clean Air Filter System ensures continuous, powerful, and noiseless performance by preventing harmful pollutants from entering the engine. Gas-powered 42 cubic centimeters engine. The potent 42 cubic centimeters, 2-stroke engine delivers lively and impressive performance, exceeding expectations for its range. On number 2, Husqvarna. Husqvarna 440E2 Gas Chainsaw Review. A comprehensive exploration. In this thorough evaluation dated August 14, 2023, Edward Smith, an outdoor enthusiast, delves into the features and performance of the Husqvarna 16-inch 440E2 gas chainsaw. Recognizing the significance of a chainsaw as a trusted companion for outdoor endeavors, Smith explores the tool's capabilities in terms of power, precision, and reliability. Key features: X-Torque engine. The chainsaw boasts a powerful and eco-friendly 2-stroke X-Torque engine, emphasizing both performance and environmental consciousness. 16-inch bar. With a balanced maneuverability, the 16-inch bar caters to various tasks, making it a versatile tool for outdoor projects. Air injection, engine longevity and performance are enhanced through the prevention of debris intake, ensuring consistent and reliable operation. Low vibe system, vibration is minimized to maximize user comfort during operation, allowing for extended periods of use without excessive fatigue. On number 1, NEOTECH 12-foot. The NEOTECH 12 inches top handle gas chainsaw, with its ergonomic design and lightweight construction, offers a user-friendly experience. The wraparound handle, designed for comfort, minimizes user fatigue, aided by a flexible and fast-rebounding steel bar spring that reduces starting resistance. This design feature makes the chainsaw accessible and easy to use, particularly for elderly individuals and women. Weighing only 8 pounds, including a 12-inch bar, tail mount, and a 44-link chain, the NEOTECH NCS 2500 chainsaw is remarkably lightweight and portable. Its one-handed operation capability ensures minimal fatigue even during prolonged use. The chainsaw is praised for its reliability and fuel efficiency, providing a superior power-to-weight ratio ideal for entry work. The easy start configuration, coupled with a foolproof switch, ensures effortless launching and straightforward start-stop functionality. NEOTECH expresses confidence in the product's quality and offers customer support for any issues or questions that may arise during daily use. In conclusion, the best 16-inch chainsaw emerges as a powerful and versatile tool, offering a perfect balance between strength and maneuverability. With a 16-inch bar, these chainsaws prove to be ideal companions for a wide range of tasks, from felling trees to precision pruning. The carefully selected features, including powerful engines, durable construction, and user-friendly designs, collectively contribute to the excellence of the best 16-inch chainsaws. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a homeowner with diverse cutting needs, the best 16-inch chainsaw stands out as a reliable and efficient solution. Its performance is marked by the ability to handle various materials with precision and speed. The thoughtful inclusion of technologies such as efficient engines, advanced chain mechanics, and user-friendly features like easy starts and comfortable handles enhances the overall cutting experience. So guys, this was the video about the best 16-inch chainsaw. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.